Hello everyone, welcome again for joining me. I want to talk today about getting an FHA loan for a barndominium. Now, barndominiums have become more and more common and popular over the last few years. A lot of people are looking into that because they either think it's a little bit less expensive to build in some instances, or just enjoy the open concept, the open floor plan that you get with it. In the beginning, what was happening in the very beginning when barndominiums first began, they were just barn conversions, converting old barns into homes, which was probably a little bit more difficult from a structure standpoint, and also insulation and all the other things that you need to create a structure that you would live in. Probably more cost effective to just build from scratch. Now, whether you're buying an existing barndominium or if you want to build one, especially if you want to build one, my recommendation is that when you approach your lender, you do not come right out and say you are looking to build or purchase a barndominium, because some lenders just have not accepted that yet as something that they're willing to finance. When you look at it, when you look at the building, or if you look at the building plans, it's not self-evident that it is a barndominium. You're excited about a barndominium and you want to just tell everyone I'm buying or building a barndominium, but I would recommend that you just call it an open concept home, because that's really what it is. It's a home that's got big spaces, and if you come with your construction plans, or if you're buying an existing one, just leave it at that. It's a big open concept home. You know you're building or buying a barndominium, but do not wave the barndominium flag in front of your lender, because, like I said, a lot of them have not accepted these unique homes like barndominiums, container homes, homes made of tires, tiny homes, all of these things that have become more popular and you see on HGTV and some of the other programs on the weekends. A lot of lenders have decided that they're not ready to finance those yet. So with that said, you could purchase a barndominium just the same way you would with an FHA loan as you would with a stick-built house that's not a barndominium. 3.5% down, credit scores of at least 500. If they're that low, you're looking at 10% down, 2-year work history, no recent bankruptcies, and you can get this done. So if you would like to talk more, you want to get a quote, just visit FHAlenders.com. I'm putting the link down below in the first pinned comment and also the description. We'll help you there. Ask any questions in the comment section too. I'll respond pretty quickly. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a great day.